You know, I'm someone who has a topper mentality. I used to run whole day, every day, and I had to do things which I never wanted to do. Something that I never did back in India. I'm late for work. This looks so... Hey y'all, it's me Unpopular Didi aka Thanima Francis. So in today's video, I'll be showing you my daily routine as a student, what I do on a daily basis, what I eat, where I go, what all are the things that keeps me motivated. So let's begin. As usual, I don't have time to cook, so I'll take this banana. That's an ugly ass banana. Just arrived my college. So I have classes 8 a.m. in the morning, and sometimes I get coffee to get more awakened in class.
No, I can't get enough. I'm far.
And if you don't know already, I'm studying public relations in Durham College, and I love this course because it is something that I really wanted to do, and this is something I'm already doing, like content creation, podcast, events and things like that. So I'm really enjoying the class here. Plus my professors are really cool. I don't know. I'm also editing this video that I recorded a few days back. This is for my podcast. And right now I'm just waiting for my bus to go back home.
Everything that you touch turns to gold. I know.
I'm late for work.
Everything that you do makes me
Just reached bus stop on time.
oh.
I have reached my workplace, and for those who don't know, I work in a jewelry store. Our main responsibility is to increase sales, arrange jewelry, and mock jewelry and make it look representable at the very end, do the caching and everything. I always arrive here half an hour before work so that I don't get any late. And this is a quick outfit check. So now I'm back from my work. So it was very tiring day today. We had to replenish everything, put back the jewelry. We didn't have like much customers, so it was difficult to reach the target and the comm. So I tried my best. I'm just waiting for my bus. What's the time? I'm not wearing a watch. So y'all, I'm finally back at home. I'm so tired. I wanna eat something. And I don't always eat bread. I also eat rice and aloo ki sabji. So good. I did not even know how to cook omelette when I was here, and now I'm cooking all types of food and every variety. Hey y'all, I am going to do groceries today. So I'll take you to the store, and there I'll show you what I'm gonna get today and all the vegetables and everything. Something that I never did back in India. A quick fit check. We are almost here. So guys, that's Freshco. My ears are so cold. I should have worn a cap. So I have never done groceries back in India. My parents used to do it, but after I have arrived here, I am doing my own groceries. I'm getting tomatoes, onion, potatoes, mushrooms and whatnot. I have learned a lot. I'll take some bindi as well. I get this. I cannot survive without bananas. So you just need to buy these rotis. So here in Canada, I just buy these rotis. These are ready-made rotis, so I don't have to cook. So I've got the besan roti, I have got the fenugreek roti, and then I got the tomato roti. So I'll eat this for my breakfast with bread. Like chicken, we need chicken, right? Get that protein. I know the kitchen is not looking the best today. This is what happens when you live with other people. So these are the all ingredients that I'll be having, and pieces of bread. Let's add some lettuce, tomatoes, onion, bologna, thin sliced cucumber, and then lots of sauce. Yeah, that's my breakfast. Look how nice this looks. So good. So it's the next day at school, and today we are doing a lot of fun stuff in class. We are doing presentations and giving out speeches. So we also have assignments wherein we have to draw storyboards, as in we need to create a big picture of what we are gonna shoot in our videos. So I love videography, so this is something that I really enjoy doing, and I got full marks in this. Just the storyboard part, yeah. After that, I went to the job number 2, wherein I had to create content for Durham College Student Association. It was so good. Like, I just had to create content and just add ideas what I'm supposed to do for the next event, or any clips that I could find, or any trending audios that I could find. I have to like write it down. So it's basically what I love to do. So I got hired for this job because one of the employers in Durham College Student Association saw my video that I created for college and they loved it. So they wanted me to be a part of their team. That makes me feel that sometimes it's just the right place, the right time that you have to be to get a job in Canada. Plus, I get to enjoy events and record stuff, and I get paid for it, which is the best part. Hi, so right now I'm getting ready for my other job in Costco in sample sale. So in this kind of job, I have to wear like normal clothing, as in black and black, and I should not be wearing any jewelry. My hair should be like properly tied up. My first job in a jewelry store, and this is very different because in that job I have to wear jewelry all over my body, okay? But here it's like you should not be wearing any jewelry. So I'll be removing all the jewelries that I have. And let's get ready. So my first job that I have, I love that job, the one in jewelry. It gives me like 10 hours, 10 to 12 hours, which is not sufficient for me as an international student. We would want to work more. So in that situation, I got this job so that I cover my whole hours and I get the money to pay my fees and everything, my college fees and all. So I also used to work in a restaurant which was very, very hectic. Okay, I used to run whole day every day, and I had to do things which I never wanted to do, like cleaning the toilet. And sometimes I would feel dizzy at work because I did not eat anything. But so I left that job because too much stress. Okay, too much stress. So I got this job. This job is very easy because all you have to do is you just have to stand, put the samples in a plate, and then give it off. Welcome customers with a smile, make sure that everything is clean and everything. So it's not a big deal, okay? It's very easy, it's very quick, and does not take a lot of effort. And plus, it pays a good amount. So I'll see you after work. Just done, and it was so busy today because I was selling chocolates, and you know how fast chocolate sells. I just want to go home and take some rest. I went to shopping. So I was at work and one of the customers came in with a very good blush, and I asked her where did she get it from, and she's like, I got it from Rare Beauty in the variant Love. And I'm like, wow, I'm gonna get it. And I got it. I'll go home and try it out. My shift got over and I'm running to catch my bus. And if I miss this, I have to wait for another 30 minutes. So I'll just run. Oh my god. It's the next day. Let's try this one out. Oh my god, this looks so cute. Wow. It has a slight shimmer to it. Wow, I'm in love with this one. It's so cute. So it's the night time. I'm having rice with egg curry, and this is mushroom curry that I just mix it up in the mixie because I could not understand the taste of this, so I yeah. So we literally have so many assignments in this course and it's never ending. Like every single day we have to do some discussion post, something like you know, giving our own opinions about something, or we have assignments. Like every single week we have assignments, and it's worth 10% each. So back in my home country, I used to get like one or two big exams and that was it. But here in Canada, it's more like segment based, wherein every single week you have some assignments to do, and based on that you'll get your marking. So even if you fuck up one exam, you can still, you know, cover it in the next. As for my studies, I'm someone who is very studious when it comes to studies, as in I'm very competitive and I like, you know, getting good marks. And last year also I scored 80% above in all subjects, and few of the subjects I got like 90 plus marks. And this is a subject that I really like to do. Okay, content creation is something that I love, so this was part of our syllabus. We had to do events, we had to create contents, for example how to videos or podcast. So that was something that I was really into, and I have been doing it for a long time now. Okay, so I always wanted to get good marks on that. You know, I'm someone who has a topper mentality, as in I want to exceed. So after I come from work or before I go to work, I take that time to do my assignments, and I usually sleep at around 2 so that I complete everything on time. So to end this video, I'll just say this semester I focused on good grades, good job, and good skin. Thank you guys for watching this video.